Hey everybody, this is Mick McKay, and I want to talk to you today about Rapid FB Profits. I like this product for several reasons. It's no fluff, easy and quick to learn, and fast to implement. It has 100 pages cram-packed with useful information delivered in 4 modules that take you by the hand and show you how to attract buyers successfully online. Its strategies are effective. You'll learn how to turn your personal Facebook profile into a money-making machine very quickly. And most importantly, this is a practical guide to show you how to do all of this for free without investing a dime in paid advertising. So let's look under the hood a little bit. The first module is on Facebook branding secrets, and this lays the foundation of how you can stand out the right way. You'll not only attract a lot of followers, you'll be attracting buyers who literally have been looking for you. The second module on content marketing teaches you 8 must-dos and 4 never-ever-dos. This is essential stuff on how to become a sought-after authority in your niche, plus a whole lot more. The third module is my favorite. You're going to learn 15 secret engagement tips, tricks, and hacks. Here you'll learn how Facebook thinks, and this alone will put you ahead of other marketers. The fourth module may be the most important and powerful tool. You're going to learn 5 key steps to leveraging Facebook Messenger, where you'll be able to turn your Facebook connections into ongoing online profits. And on top of all this, you're going to receive 4 exclusive free bonuses from me. And these are designed to supercharge rapid Facebook profits. The first free bonus from me is a collection of 41 social media tips and hacks for Facebook, Reddit, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, as well as how to set up and run a social media viral contest super effectively. Free bonus number 2 is an 18-point guide on how to make money online blogging. Free bonus number 3 is a terrific email marketing quick start guide. This is a 23-point checklist on how to set up and use email marketing and is an essential tool for every internet marketing entrepreneur. And in addition to those 3, I have one more bonus I'm adding that's going to superpower using Facebook Messenger. It's a step-by-step guide on how to create a Facebook Messenger marketing plan. You've no doubt heard the old saying, plan your work, then work your plan. This makes setting up that plan a breeze and helps you get results faster and easier. All of these 4 bonuses will be delivered to you directly after you purchase Rapid Facebook Profits. So click on the link below and grab your copy of Rapid FB Profits, plus all 4 of my exclusive bonuses. I'm wishing you great success, and thank you for listening.